Who would have imagined that a man could build a warm and comfortable underground shelter in the middle of a barren forest using nothing more than a shovel and an axe? No cement, no steel, no nails, and no construction crew. Just determination, skill, and hard work. When the fire finally lit up the shelter, viewers were amazed. This wasn't just a hole in the ground. It was a fully functional survival home built almost entirely by one person. The journey began by digging a deep pit that would become the shelter's foundation. To protect himself from the cold and damp ground, he carefully arranged dry logs across the floor, creating a natural insulated base that would keep moisture away while providing a comfortable sleeping area. Next, he chopped large pieces of wood into smaller sections with powerful swings of his axe. Soon, a neat stack of firewood was ready for construction and heating. He then gathered long, flexible branches and bent them into graceful arches, weaving them together into a strong framework that would support both the walls and the roof. With the frame complete, he mixed clay and water into thick mud and carefully spread it over the woven branches. Layer by layer, he sealed every gap until the wooden frame transformed into solid earthen walls. Using his shovel, he repeatedly smoothed and compacted the surface, making the structure stronger and more durable. He also dug a narrow entrance leading into the shelter and lined it with wooden planks, creating sturdy steps that would stay clean and usable even during rainy weather. Then came the most satisfying moment. He built a simple earthen fireplace and lit the stacked firewood. Within seconds, bright flames filled the shelter with warmth and light, turning the cold underground space into a cozy home. But he wasn't finished yet. To make the shelter even stronger, he reinforced the roof with additional branches, heavy logs, and thick layers of earth. Every beam was carefully positioned by hand until the roof became a solid mound that blended perfectly with the surrounding landscape. From the outside, it was almost invisible, hiding the shelter beneath the forest floor. In the final scene, the young man lay on a blanket beside the glowing fire, quietly enjoying the warmth of the shelter he had built with his own hands. Just hours earlier, this had been nothing but untouched ground. Through patience, determination, and practical survival skills, he transformed it into a safe and comfortable refuge without relying on modern construction tools. If you enjoyed watching this incredible survival project and want to see more amazing building techniques and wilderness skills, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next adventure.